Let's start the list with SBI Cashback as it's still the GOAT of entry-level cashback credit cards in India in 2026. And if you apply using my link in description, you will earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay voucher, which comes from me and not SBI. This card offers flat 5% cashback in any online transaction. So whether it's Flipkart or Amazon or booking flights and hotels or any food orders in Swiggy, Zomato or shopping in Myntra, Nykaa or any online platforms, you will earn 5% cashback without any merchant restrictions. For offline transactions, you will earn a flat 1% cashback. From April 1st, 2026, the cashback limit has changed where you will earn a maximum of 2000 rupees cashback in online shopping and another 2000 rupees cashback in offline shopping, which means till online spends of 40,000 rupees every month, you will get 5% cashback. Before that, the cashback limit used to be 5,000 rupees per month, but I still believe it's decent enough for regular online spends, because if your spends are higher than that every month, then you should take a much premium card and not a cashback card. SBI Cashback has 999 rupees yearly fee which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year. If you want multiple lesser known tricks and websites to earn additional cashback of up to 18% to 90% using gift cards, then don't miss this cashback hack video where I shared a secret trick to earn cashback even in ineligible transactions like utility bill or insurance payments. While SBI Cashback is the best card for general online purchases, you should also have HSBC Life Plus as it offers a flat 10% cashback up to 1000 rupees per month in any online and even offline food or grocery related spends like in Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, etc. or in any restaurants offline POS spends or even at supermarkets like D-Mart, Reliance, Star Bazaar, etc. Basically, whether it's online or offline, 10% cashback remains the same. Comment HSBC list and I'll share a detailed list of merchants that gets updated with time where you can check which merchants give 10% cashback and which don't. This card also gives a flat 1.5% unlimited cashback in all other transactions except these categories. This card also offers buy one get one free movie ticket every month up to 250 rupees and also 10% off at any events in Book My Show, which is great for movie and event lovers, plus up to 15% discounts on dining across many restaurants in India. Life Plus also offers 4 complimentary domestic lounge access without any spending criteria, and it comes with a 999 rupees plus GST yearly fee which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year. If you want to know a hack on how to earn 10% cashback using the HSBC Life Plus credit card even on spends outside grocery or food, then don't miss this whole video where I also shared how to get the card even if you're staying outside the serviceable area of HSBC. After the recent changes with the HDFC Swiggy card, I highly recommend getting the HSBC Life Plus, so make sure to apply for the card using the link in description to earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. Up next, Kiwi, which is without a doubt the best lifetime free RuPay credit card in India that all of you should have to earn up to 5% cashback in scan and pay transactions both online or offline. This is the card I also use in my regular UPI spends personally, and if you use my link, you will get 250 rupees Amazon Pay voucher from me when your card gets approved. Kiwi offers flat 1.5% cashback as Kiwis in scan and pay transactions done from the Kiwi app to any merchant, and if you have Neon membership worth 1179 rupees yearly, which I also took, the base cashback from scan and pay transactions increases from 1.5% to 2%, and it also has milestone based extra benefits such as 3% cashback for up to 50,000 rupees spent annually, where you will get 1500 rupees total cashback, and then crossing 1 lakh spends in a year, you will get 4% cashback worth 4,000 rupees, and finally spending up to 1.5 lakh, you will get 5% cashback maximum of 7,500 rupees. Even though I don't have much UPI spends, I have crossed the first milestone already, and I will keep you all posted about the rewards in my WhatsApp or Telegram community, which you can join using the link in description. By crossing each of these 3 milestones, you also get 1 domestic lounge access in every step. After 1.5 lakh is crossed, cashback rate will be back to 2% with a cap of 1% of your credit limit. The Kiwis you earn can be redeemed directly to your bank account from the Kiwi app for free. Now, you may be thinking this video is about online shopping. How is Kiwi relevant here since it's meant for offline UPI transactions? Well, if you are shopping online using your laptop or PC, you can just select UPI and then scan the QR code using the Kiwi app, or you can just take a photo of the QR and upload in open the Kiwi app from your phone's gallery to pay using the Kiwi scanner to earn the same cashback as in offline transactions. Hope it helps. To understand more about the Kiwi card and whether taking Kiwi Neon membership is worth it or not, watch this video where I shared a detailed breakdown of cashback examples with and without Neon plus a cashback hack. Up next, Tata Neu Infinity, which is a great card to shop from Tata brands, and if you get the card using my link in description, you will get it for first year free plus get a lot of welcome benefits like free Spotify Premium, Easy Diner Prime, Lenskart Gold membership, and all these benefits as you can see on your screen, including Zomato and Tata Click offers. I have used this card a lot personally to buy electronics like 2 iPhones, Apple Watch, laptop, and more from Chroma, and also gold. Tata Neu Infinity offers up to 10% cashback as Neo coins if you buy on Tata Neu app on all partner Tata brands like Big Basket, Chroma, Air India, etc., where 1 Neo coin is 1 rupee. If you buy from any partner Tata brands outside the Tata Neu app, you will get 5% cashback as Neo coins both online or even at offline stores, which is great for jewelry purchase from Tanishq. You will also get 5% cashback if you pay bills on the Tata Neu app. It also has a RuPay variant that offers 1.5% cashback as Neo coins on all scan and pay merchant transactions done on the Tata Neu app. Up next, HSBC Platinum RuPay, which is a lifetime free credit card from HSBC that you should have to enter the HSBC ecosystem and get better cards in the future like Travel One, HSBC Life Plus, or even HSBC Premium. As a welcome benefit, you get 3 months Swiggy One membership, 2-month Easy Diner membership, and if you register in the HSBC app and spend just 5,000 rupees in the first 30 days of getting the card, you will earn 500 rupees cashback, which is 10% return. You also get these extra offers from Swiggy, Instamart, Paytm, and ClearTrip, plus various RuPay offers as shown on your screen. This card can be linked to any UPI apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, etc. And for every scan and pay merchant transaction, you will earn 2 reward points per 150 rupees spent. You will get 6x accelerated reward points on hotel, flights, or car rental bookings using the Travel with Points portal of HSBC. All points earned can be redeemed instantly for air miles, hotel bookings, or brand catalog using the HSBC app. If you apply for the card using the link in description, you will earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card when your card gets approved. Up next, we have a card that is being offered by both Axis and SBI, which is the Flipkart credit card, and I have Flipkart Axis. So in both Flipkart Axis and SBI, you will get 7.5% cashback on all Myntra spends up to 4,000 rupees per quarter and 5% cashback on Flipkart up to 4,000 rupees per quarter individually. The only difference in both cards is that the Axis card gives 5% cashback in ClearTrip spends, while the SBI variant gives 12% cashback in ClearTrip spends, which is 7% instant discount with this coupon code plus 5% cashback up to 4,000 rupees per quarter. Some of you may have doubts here, but Flipkart, ClearTrip, and Myntra have separate capping of 4,000 rupees each, not combined. It means maximum you can spend 53,333 rupees per quarter on Myntra using this card and earn 4,000 rupees cashback, and you can spend a maximum of 80,000 rupees per quarter on Flipkart and earn 4,000 rupees cashback separately, and then separately 80,000 rupees per quarter in ClearTrip in Flipkart Axis or 33,333 rupees in Flipkart SBI to utilize the full 4,000 rupees cashback limit. Both Flipkart Axis and SBI also offer unlimited 4% cashback on these merchants and unlimited 1% cashback on all other online or offline spends except these categories. Both cards offer 1% fuel surcharge waiver, and Flipkart Axis also has Dining Delight and Wednesday Delight offers. Both cards have a 500 rupees yearly fee. Apply for any of the cards using the link in description to earn 250 rupees Flipkart voucher and save a lot on Flipkart, Myntra, and ClearTrip spends. Up next, we have Uni Goldex, which is a lifetime free credit card that literally rewards you in 24 karat gold. Here are some of the benefits of the Uni Goldex card that secure a worthy place in your wallet. Number 1, 5% back on many merchants like Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, etc. shown on your screen, including many major food and shopping brands via the voucher section that offer up to 8% back. Number 2, 50% back up to 250 rupees every month on PVR and Inox vouchers. Number 3, unlimited 7% back on flights, 10% back on hotel with no cap when done from the Uni app. Number 4, unlimited 1% cashback in scan and pay transactions from any UPI apps of your choice using the complimentary virtual RuPay variant. Number 5, 0 forex fee for your international trips in 180 plus countries. The reward points you earn can be redeemed in digital gold, which can be converted either to cash or real gold coin with zero making charges. Apply for the card using the link in description to start your golden rewards journey. Up next, we have one of the consistent and OG credit cards of India for shopping at Amazon, and you guessed it, it is the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, which was my first credit card as well, and I still use it regularly even after having SBI Cashback. It offers a flat 5% unlimited cashback if you have Prime membership on any Amazon purchase, even on Amazon Fresh or Now, and also on flight or hotel bookings done from the Amazon app. And without Prime, it offers 3% unlimited cashback for the same categories. For utility bill payments done from the Amazon app, it offers 2% unlimited cashback. Even though Amazon officially says it only offers 2% cashback on buying any gift cards using the Amazon Pay credit card, but I have a trick where you can get full 5% cashback. I'll soon make a detailed video on it, so subscribe and stay tuned. You can also buy digital gold and get 2% cashback. In the Amazon reward section, if you buy from these merchants, you will also get 5% cashback as shown on your screen. For any online or offline spends outside Amazon, it offers unlimited 1% cashback. It's a must-have card if you have regular spends on Amazon, or else you can take the SBI Cashback card that also offers 5% cashback. You can watch my video on it where I shared a way to get the SBI Cashback card without any income proof. Plus, you will also earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. You get the cashback as Amazon Pay balance after every billing cycle, which can be used anywhere in Amazon and also in Uber and many places where Amazon Pay wallet is accepted, so it's a must-have. This core HDFC card offers a flat 5% cashback up to 1000 cash points per month on this merchant, but the best feature is the specific HDFC Bank flat discount offers on Amazon or Flipkart sales, where you can get flat discount using this card. You also get 1% cashback up to 1000 cash points per month on all other online and offline spends except these transactions. Also, you will get 1000 rupees worth of gift vouchers or lounge access on spends of 1 lakh rupees and above in each quarter. HDFC Millennia has 1000 rupees joining and annual fees, which can get waived off if you spend just 1 lakh rupees in a year using this card. Don't forget to apply for any credit cards you want using the link in description to support this channel, and also join my Telegram or WhatsApp community for regular credit card updates. Do watch the best travel cards of 2026 video next and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.